Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, I've got a really short video for you, but it is a necessity. There's things that happen all the time. Today, I've got a flat tire, and I want to show you guys, fun enough, a new tool that came in. I had a company reach out to me, wanted to partner with the channel. So let me turn the camera around. I'll show you guys what we have. Okay, so Auxito sent out their smart electric pump. This is the A301. I actually did a short video of this so you guys could see how it functioned, but this is a really cool unit. So we're gonna pull it out real quick. Of course, when it comes packaged, it has some more things in here. I've already kind of pulled some things out, but this is, of course, has a little user manual. Got the cable that you need to connect to the pump. It comes with some small accessories. Has like a needle for airing up like basketballs, things of that nature, as well as a charging cable. This smart pump actually doubles as a flashlight, so it has the functionality for a flashlight as well as a charging bank, so that's really cool as well too. So unfortunately though, as you guys can see, I'm still working on organizing the garage, which is coming together pretty nicely. And then all of a sudden I looked up and we've got what looks like a flat tire on the F10. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the smart pump out. We'll get it plugged in and I'll show you guys how it functions. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take your cord here. It's gonna just plug right in here and twist into place. So I can get that to go here with one hand. There we go. Okay, there we go. Just twist right into place. If I can get it to keep rotating. There, okay. So we're gonna power on the unit. There we go. The unit is on. Looks like I do have a charge. So as you guys can see right now, it's set at 7 PSI. That was for one of the basketballs. I think we're gonna increase this up here. Okay, so we've got it to 32 PSI. All we've got to do now is go plug it in. So I'm going to get it over to the car. I'll be right back. Okay, as you guys see, we've got it connected. It's plugged in. This is where it's going to get loud. I'm going to hit the start button. Okay, so I must have lost. I'm sorry for the noise, but apparently I lost all the air in that tire. So we're going to let that run and get built up. I'll be back with you guys shortly. Okay, you guys can probably hear the pump running in the background. One of the cool things about that pump is it does have a smart feature where it will shut itself off once it hits the target PSI. So I'm just gonna walk away, let that run, and I'll be back here in just a minute with an update. So as you guys can see, I had to make a little bit of an adjustment here. I tried multiple times with the unit on the ground. The car was completely on the flat and it was having some difficulties charging. So I was kind of wearing out the battery. I don't know if it wasn't fully charged enough at that time or not, but so what I thought is I will go ahead and jack it up to get the weight off of the tire so that I can try to see if I can air it up now. So we're gonna try this again here. I always wanna try to make sure I'm showing you guys the good and the bad with everything. So, but that was something that I just, like I said, tried to figure out and it wasn't working out. And as we can see here, the battery is not fully charged at the moment, but we're gonna give this a shot now and see. And just so you know, previously when the car was fully on the ground, I wouldn't really reach more than about 4 PSI after it would run. It would run for a while and shut off. So we're gonna try and see what we can do now. And again, sorry for the loud noise, but it does seem getting the wheel up in the air, does have it airing up the tire much better now. So I don't know if it just couldn't overcome the tire being completely flat with the weight of the car, but we're hitting those higher numbers now, so doing much better. All right, 31 right now, so definitely getting some air in this tire, definitely what we want to see. I'm going to go ahead and put it back on the ground now while it's continuing to air up. Move that out of the way. Got the jack out of the way. It just shut off and now we are at 32 PSI. So we were able to air the tire up and that's what we needed. Well, as you guys can see, this did its job. I was able to get the tire aired up. I had to work my way through it. There was a slight issue there where it did not want to air the tire up from what I can see, because there was just so much pressure on it with the weight of the vehicle. So we had to go ahead and jack up this end of the car, and it was able to do it without any problem. Now I will say that I did a YouTube short a couple weeks ago using this same smart pump, and it was on my son's vehicle. Had no issues at all airing the tire up, but it was only airing it up from like, I don't know, 20 PSI to the 33 or 34 PSI. So it worked just functional. It worked absolutely fine. The only thing I can say is that this one just gave me a little bit issue. I'm assuming it's because the tire was completely flat, but hopefully this video will help you guys out. Again, in the video of the description, I'm going to put a link to this product. This product has been working great for me, like I said, with the exception of this last little portion here. But if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Other than that, everyone be safe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.